All right, Logan running the Outcast. Looking for a speed run today. So Logan, what is this?
So 18 tooth pinion 4S.
All right.
Kind of scared of 6S right now.
18 tooth 4S. How fast does it go?
Flat out.
Flat out. All right, good run then. Woo! Bring it back. .4S, and the speed is, any guesses?
No.
Oh, come on, no guesses? 15. Oh, that's average. Average speed. Let's see. Feels like 15. And then it says 44 miles an hour. All right, 6S time. So the first one, 4S, was 44.
Oh, it's already fuel card.
When you get towards me, you need to start slowing down, okay? Whoa! There went the GPS.
Yep.
You're not used to that 6S, Logan.
Got it.
Alright, slow it down. Oh, it lives! Alright, was that full speed?
Yeah.
How long were you at full throttle?
I was pretty good the last time.
Alright, any guesses?
Well, sorry.
Any guesses?
58.
58?
I was just guessing that just.
So it's 1 mile an hour faster than the Rock Ray? 544.
Yes!
I'm guessing that's not the number that we're really looking
54.
for.
It's probably 54.
No, it's altitude. We pushed a button. And the drama builds. And 58 miles an hour.
I guessed it! I guessed it! Take that, 23 tooth pinion!
All right, 58 miles an hour. You pretty happy with that one, Logan?
Yeah.
That's pretty close, man.
Just leave it there.
Let's just leave it there. All right, let's back it up.
No,